Hello everyone, welcome to the Yarn Bowl. Today in this video we're going to see this boho type bracelet, the Citrus Sunshine crochet cuff bracelet. This is the matching bracelet that go along with the crochet top we created in our last video, the Citrus Sunshine crochet summer top. If you wish to crochet that top, I've updated the link of the video tutorial in the description box, and the written instruction of this cuff bracelet is available in our website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for this project I'll be using Lion brand yarn, Summer Kiss yarn, and it's a cotton and polyester blend yarn. I've already made a crochet top using this yarn. I've updated the pattern link in the description box below. If you are interested to make that crochet top, you can go ahead, use that pattern to make the crochet top, and I will be using 4mm crochet hook for this project. Come on, let's see how to crochet this cuff bracelet that's matching with the crochet top. So this is the bracelet that we'll be making today. It's a boho type bracelet. Today we'll be making in kid size, and have also updated the adult size pattern in my website, which I have updated in the description box. If you wish to do the adult size, you can go ahead, use that pattern to make the same cuff bracelet in adult size. So I'm using the stash of yarn that I have from that after completing my crochet top, and then I will be using a needle and some wooden buttons as well for this project. So starting row 1 would be chain 24 plus 1 chain, altogether 25 chains. So go ahead, work 25 chains. So once we work 25 chains, work 1 single crochet on the second chain from the hook and 1 single crochet on each chain across. So at the end of this row we will have 24 single crochet stitches. So go ahead, work 1 single crochet on each chain across. So now we are done with row 1. Let's proceed with row 2. For row 2 we are going to chain 3 plus 1, altogether 4 chains, and then turn your work, and then we are going to skip 1 single crochet stitch and then work 1 double crochet on the next single crochet stitch, and then this chain 3 is going to act as our first double crochet, and the chain 1 is going to act as our chain 1 space. Then work chain 1, skip 1 single crochet stitch, and then work 1 double crochet on the next single crochet, and then skip 1 single crochet stitch, chain 1, and then work 1 double crochet on the next single crochet stitch. And we are going to repeat this pattern, that is skip 1 single crochet stitch and work 1 double crochet until the end, and we work the last double crochet on the chain 1, that's the 25th chain of row 1. So don't forget this, we'll be working our last double crochet on the chain 1 that we used in turning our row 1, which is our 25th chain. So now you can see that we are working our last double crochet, work a chain 1 and then work our last double crochet on the chain 1, that is the turning chain 1 that we used on row 1, which is our 25th chain. So now that our row 2 is completed, we can proceed with our row 3. For row 3 we are going to chain 3 and then turn, and then we are going to skip one chain one space of the previous row and one double crochet of the previous row, and then we are going to work one double crochet on the next chain one space of the previous row, and then we work a chain 3 and then we work 3 double crochet on the post that we just worked, on the double crochet post that we just worked, which is going to create a diamond like stitch for us. And then once we are done with this, we are going to skip one double crochet of the previous row and then skip one chain one space of the previous row, and then we are going to work one double crochet on top of the previous row's double crochet, and then we are going to repeat this till the end. We are going to skip one chain one space of the previous row, and then we are going to skip one double crochet of the previous row, and then we work one double crochet on the next chain one space, and then we work a chain 3 and then we work 3 double crochet on the post of our double crochet we just worked, and then we are going to skip one double crochet of the previous row, and then we are going to skip one chain one space of the previous row and work one double crochet on top of the previous row's double crochet. We're going to repeat this pattern till the end, and the last double crochet is worked on top of our previous row's chain 3. So continue this pattern till the end. I'll meet you at the end of this row. Now we are done with our row 3. We can proceed with row 4. For row 4 we are going to work a chain 3 plus chain 2, that is altogether chain 5. Turn your work, and then we work one single crochet on top of the chain 3 worked on the post of the double crochet, that is the top of our diamond stitch, and then we work a chain 2 and then we work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row, and then we work a chain 2 and then we work one single crochet on top of the chain 3 that is worked on the post of the double crochet, that is our diamond stitch, and then we work a chain 2 and then we work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row. We repeat this pattern till the end. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So our row 4 is now complete. Let's proceed with our row 5. For row 5 we are going to chain 3 plus 1, altogether chain 4. Turn your work, and then we work one double crochet on top of the chain 2 space of the previous row, chain 1, and then we work one double crochet on top of the next chain 2 space of the previous row, chain 1, and then we work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row, chain 1, and then we repeat this pattern again, that is we work one double crochet on the chain 2 space of the previous row, chain 1, and then we work one double crochet that is next to the diamond stitch, that is the chain 2 space of the previous row, chain 1, and then we work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row, chain 1. So repeat this pattern till the end. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So now our row 5 is completed. For row 6 we are going to chain 1, turn, and then we work 1 single crochet on the same stitch, and then we are going to go ahead work 1 single crochet on each stitch across. That is, we work 1 single crochet on the chain 1 space of the previous row, we work 1 single crochet on the double crochet of the previous row till the end. So continue working 1 single crochet on each stitch across. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So now that we completed our single crochets, I'm working my last single crochet, and then we're going to turn our work sideways. We're going to chain 1, turn our work sideways, and then we are going to work 1 single crochet on the last single crochet that we just worked. Then we are going to chain 7, which is our button loop, and then we work 10 single crochet evenly spaced on the side. So work 10 single crochet evenly spaced on the side. So once we work 10 single crochet, I'm gonna once again work chain 7, and then we work 1 single crochet on top of the first single crochet of row 1, and then we can work a slip stitch and fasten off. Weave your ends. Now I'm going to sew 2 wooden buttons on the opposite side so that my button loops can go over them, so that we can wear the bracelet. So go ahead, sew the wooden buttons on the opposite side. So once the buttons are sewed in, weave your ends and cut the extra yarn. Now our cuff bracelet is ready. This is for the kid size, and it matches very well with the Citrus Sunshine crochet top that we worked in our last video. I've updated the video link in our description box, and this is an excellent quick gift idea as well. It's a boho style bracelet. Kids will love it, and I've updated the pattern for adult sizing as well in my website, along with the written pattern of the kid size. If you wish to do the same bracelet for an adult, you can follow along the pattern. Just the starting chains will differ. The rest of the rows are going to be the same, and only thing is we add in extra stitches so that it will fit on the adults. So try this project at home and let me know your comments. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial with me. The written pattern is available in our website, theyarnbowlcrochet.com. I've updated the pattern description, that is the pattern link in the description box. Go ahead, use the pattern for the written instructions. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.